Well, it's IBC 2016. One of the places we always come to visit, of course, is JVC, and the man we always talk to at IBC, especially at JVC, is Gustav. Hi, Gustav.
Hi, how are you doing?
Very good. Now, we've got a lot to talk about this one. We've had a quick run through, and it all looks amazing. Let's start with this, what we've got going on here.
Yeah, well, this is a Gbay HM200. Yep. And there's a choice for an upgrading version. We call it Gbay HM200 BC. BC stands for broadcast. Yep. And we were thinking we have all these IP functionalities and tools. Why not use them? And where you're on the fly and make an interview like with me, we can have the typical broadcast banner on the lower end. Yep. So where you have the choice to place where you be, who you are doing with the interviews. Yep. And it's simple control by over your touchpad or by your smartphone. Right. And you easily can edit the borders, you can change the color, you can change where you are, you can change the name, who you're doing interviews. There is also an option for a real-time clock and a temperature. Last but not least, for the professional border, you need your company logo or news station logo. You can edit that also. And that's a nice tool, is an upgrade. Yep. It's around about €500. Yep. And if you already have a Gbay HM200, you can come to us and request this update. But the news update will be available around about January or February. We have such function also for sports application, professional sports banner with goal information right now. Right. It's also upgrade, about €500 upgrade cost for that, and this is available already now.
Brilliant. We've had a look at it. It does look amazing. And talking about IP, we're doing something else on another camera which is amazing. Let's go and have a look at that.
Yes, let's switch to the other camera. Let's look to it.
So here we are at another camera. What's going on here?
This is the Gbay HM660. Yep. This is the most famous news gathering cameras which we have. Yep. It's a multi-codec camera with all the IP functionalities which we have and live streaming issues. Yep. Well, if you're doing live streaming, sometimes you want to make an interview, like we do right now, but we see us face to face. But what happens, you do an interview from the station back to the camera. Normally you use, for example, a mobile phone, etc. But sometimes you're in an area where a mobile phone is maybe critical to use. We have a choice here to have an integrated audio return over the web. So if you do live streaming, and there's a simple demonstration, if you put the headphone on here, and I go to here to, let's say that's my station, I press here microphone, I can talk, hi, how is the weather in IBC? Can you tell me the latest news? So we get the audio return in a very high quality back to yourself. It's impressive, right?
It's very impressive and very high quality as well.
Yeah.
Much better than you would get from
a
mobile phone. This is an upgrade?
This is a Gbay HM660. So it's already, when you purchase this, it's already in. Right. If you have, that was an upgrade of course, but all the cameras have this function right now. If you still already have a 660 in the early stage, of course then it's a free upgrade.
Fantastic. And let's go and have a look at what's going on over there.
Okay, let's go to the next station.
So our third stop on your stand, what's going on around here?
Yeah, you see this nice Mini is our show car. Yep. This has a background. Yep. And we have this famous IP technology cameras. Yep. And we have a new baby in that area. It's a PTZ camera. It's based on our IP technology. Yep. So we have our HM800 series, 600 series, 200 series, and now a PTZ camera with IP and IP streaming. Yeah. For us, it's very important to bring that to the people. You have professional people that know everything about streaming, but still there is a lot of work to do into the market to integrate these IP features. So we at GBC built our own streaming platform, which is called the GBC Video Cloud. Well, you know Ustream, Wowzer, and all this stuff. Well, you can stream with our cameras directly to that, nowadays also to Facebook, but we're still thinking to make the own platform to bring it to the customer, and there's a value creator for such customer. I'll give you an example. If you are a wedding photographer, you do the shots, and there's a lot of big weddings where the people cannot join this wedding, so you can offer a special service to them to stream to the people who can come to this event. And the unique issue on the GBC Video Cloud, there's no additional advertisement. There is a very easy template-based web page, so you can customize a website, and make a value add creator for dedicated people to stream to. And also there is a test run of 50 hours free every month. For example, if you are a dealer, you want to test the camera, the streaming function, and it's free of charge. You can use it for your own company without any additional payment. Of course, if you need more, you have to pay for that one, but for demonstration purpose, it's still enough. And the GBC Video Cloud is, of course, designed for our cameras, and we put some tools to lock to in, but it can be used any hardware we can stream RTMP can also be used with the GBC Video Cloud. And to bring that to the people, we go with this nice mini car to it, and you see a satellite on a dish, but we're all talking about network by LTE, etc. Well, to teach the people, to train what is the capability of the IP technology in our cameras, we want to show the cable connection, we want to show LTE, but we also want to show that if nothing around, still it's possible to make an internet connection over the satellite dish, thanks to this company TVDo, which also supporting us here with the satellite on the tour. And right after the show, we go with this mini, that's not a broadcast car, it's a show car. We have all the equipment with us, the 660 with the IFB, and the 200 with the news and the sports. We bring it to the customer and we try to show it.
Gustav, amazing, as always.
Yeah.
Always great to speak to you at IBC, and it's always a busy stand. People weren't able to come and see you this year. What's the website they can go to?
Yeah, this is always the point where I hang normally. This time I have two addresses. Okay. Number one is, if you are interested in the GBC Video Cloud, simply click www.gbcvideocloud.com. And once you see our product website, then it's www.gbcpro.eu.
Gustav, thank you very much, as always.
Thank you and welcome.
Well, the links are up on screen. Go and find them, and you'll find out all the information you need to know about what we've been speaking about this year at IBC. Don't forget to check out what we've been doing here, of course, on our website, kitplus.com.